If you've ever wanted to jump straight to a specific part of another Microsoft Word document, this tutorial is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to link to a part of another Word document using bookmarks and hyperlinks, so you can create a clean, clickable reference that takes readers right where they need to go. This is super useful for manuals, reports, training documents, handbooks, and any file where you want to point to a section without making people scroll forever. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, you need to prepare the destination document. This is the Word file that contains the part you want people to jump to. Open that document first and then find the exact text, heading, paragraph, or location you want to link to. Once you've found it, highlight the text or place your cursor where you want the target to be. Now go up to the Insert tab in Microsoft Word and click Bookmark. A bookmark lets Word remember that exact spot inside the document. In the bookmark box, give it a name. Make sure the name does not contain spaces because Word bookmarks work best with simple names. You can use letters, numbers, or underscores if needed. After naming it, click Add. That saves the bookmark inside the destination document. Once that's done, save the document and close it if you want to keep things organized before moving on. Now, it's time to create the link in the source document. This is the Word file you want people to click from. Open that document next and highlight the text you want to turn into a clickable link. This could be a sentence like, "See the full instructions here," or even just a word like reference. With the text selected, right-click and choose Link, or use the keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+K, that opens the Insert Hyperlink window. On the left side, select Existing File or Web Page. Then browse and locate the destination document you just bookmarked. Once you select the file, look on the right side of the window and click Bookmark. Word will show you the bookmarks available inside that document. Choose the bookmark you created earlier and then click OK. That connects your selected text in the source document directly to the exact section inside the other Word document. Now when someone clicks the link, Word will open the destination file and jump straight to that bookmarked part. It's a great way to make long documents much easier to navigate and far more professional. If you want to test it, hold Ctrl and click the link in Word, or just click it depending on your settings. Word should take you straight to the bookmark section. If it doesn't work, double check that the bookmark name exists in the destination document and that you selected the correct file. One important tip: if you move or rename the destination document later, the link may need to be updated. So it's a good idea to keep both files in a stable folder location if you're using them often. You can also create multiple bookmarks in the same document if you want to link to different sections, headings, or steps. That makes this method even more powerful for guides, SOPs, and internal company documents. So to recap, the process is simple. Bookmark the target location in the destination Word document, then insert a hyperlink from the source document and point it to that bookmark. And that's how you link to part of another Microsoft Word document. If this tutorial saved you time, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Microsoft Word tips, office tutorials, and productivity shortcuts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.